Today I am going to present about applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. We are going to use trigonometry in these order. Finding heights and distances, in the architecture of the building, in the astronomy, in geology, in the navigation, in the oceanography, and trigonometry is also used in video games. First, we start with heights and distance. Heights and distances in trigonometry is used to find the height, find distances, anything easily by certain fundamentals. We have two things here. The first one is angle of elevation. It is the angle made with the observer when he raises his eyes position. Like we'll take an example of an aeroplane. When it's moving upwards, like when it's taking off, we see that it's going up. So it is angle of elevation. Whenever it is landing downwards, we see down. That is angle of depression. Here, angle of depression, it is the angle made with the observer lowers his eyes, and it is also an easy technique. Trigonometry is also used in architecture of the buildings. Architects use trigonometry to describe the shapes and forms of a building using numerical equations. These equations are translated easily by any contractor to reproduce the exact building the architect had in his mind. Architects use trigonometry to calculate structural load, roof slope, the ground surface, and many other aspects including sun shading and light angles. Architecture remains one of the most important sectors of our society as they plan and design of buildings and ensure that they are able to withstand with the pressures inside. Trigonometry also plays an important role in astronomy. Trigonometry was used in astronomy since ancient times. Trigonometry is used to measure the distance to nearby stars. In 2001, a group of European astronomers did experiment to find the distance of Venus from Sun. It was about 1.05 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer. Astronomers used the method parallax or the movement of the star against the background as orbit and the Sun to discover new information about galaxies. In 2040 BC, a mathematician discovered the radius of the Earth using trigonometry. Trigonometry also plays a very important role in geology. Trigonometry is used in geology to estimate the true depth of bedding angles. Calculating the true depth allows geologists to determine the slope stability. Here the true depth means it is the direction at the right angle to the strike. We have two things, true depth and apparent depth. Whereas apparent depth, it means that not right angles, any other direction from this strike. Although not often regarded as an integral profession, geologists contribute to the safety of many building foundations. Any adverse bedding conditions can result in slope failure and the entire collapse of a structure. It means that it should have an exact measuring. If we take any adverse dip, where we have mentioned any other adverse bedding, it means that any adverse dip, not this exact angle which they have mentioned, any other angle, it may cause failure. It also plays an important role in navigation and oceanography. It is used in navigation to find the distances of the shore from a point in the sea. And it is also used in oceanography in calculating the heights of the tides and ocean. Trigonometry is used in video games. Trigonometry are also used for turning and point and determining the speed of an object. Example, in a spaceship games, trigonometry is used to calculate the distance between the ships. We also, here we can see, we also have played many games like Super Mario Bros. So many have played, right? Like it will jump parabolic. So it will take a parable in which it will be collecting the coins whenever you are jumping like this. So it is used, it is based on trigonometry applications. And that's all. Thank you.